Welcome to Julian's Virtual Showcase.
2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. Only 54k miles, dual sliding doors, power, room for everyone. This vehicle will not last long at this price. Come in today for a test drive. Financing for everyone. Good credit, bad credit or no credit. Call or come by today. Located at 6404 U.S. Highway 19, Newport Richey, Pasco, Florida, 34652. Thanks for looking and we look forward to doing business with you. Prices do not reflect tax, tag, title or dealer service fee. Price may be adjusted due to work performed on or market conditions of the vehicle.
Call now for your appointment. Thank you for visiting our virtual showroom. Remember, at Julian's Auto Showcase, we have over 175 vehicles in stock at all times. We offer warranties, financing for everyone, and rates as low as 4.25%. And we offer free car wash and free one-year maintenance. Call for details. Visit us at 6404 U.S. Highway 19, Newport Richey, Florida.